No. Really? You're joking. Okay, let me try and let you know. Who was it on the phone? It was Sarah. She was telling me about some apps to download. Your friend sending you bad application to download. It is going to put coronavirus on your phone. What? No. You're gonna see it's quite interesting, this one. Alright, Mom, I'm gonna ask you some question. Why, huh? Just answer the question, Mom. What do you think of my best friend Sarah? Sarah is not a good girl, okay? I'm telling you. She get bad results, she won't let you to study too.
Negative.
Sarah is a very good girl. I like her very much, more than my own daughter. She behaves like girl, unlike you. No. This is very light. What kind of application this is, huh? No. Actually, where's polite? You've always preferred her. Namaskante. What's up, sis? Hey, why this selfie face, huh? I just found out my mom prefers my best friend instead of me. Best friend? Show me a picture. Sarah. Oh yeah, I remember. She came at your party the other day.
Launch exposed.
She's quite hot, eh? Just seen her bit of her day. She looked gorge. I wanted to slap her backside so hard that night. You jerk! Oh my god! Okay, shit. I just got this phone.
Hey girl, did you try it?
Yeah, and it's actually pissing me off, but I can't wait to try it on others though.
I know, right?
It's so discouraging, and honestly, it was a lot to handle on day one.
Oi, your auntie is here.
Alright, back to business. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You can check out my last videos right over there, here, all over my face. Also, subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Oh wait, I forgot the bye. Bye!